Hello guys, today I'm back with the next section. So before starting our lecture, I just want to ask you something, that you guys really think that these concepts does not rely on the day-to-day life? Come on, comment me. Actually, I just think that these concepts really relies on the day-to-day life. For example, if we are standing on a bus stand and waiting for the bus and waiting for the next bus, then and buses come with after equal interval of times, okay, then we can estimate when will the next bus will come. Then how could you guys say that this concept doesn't rely on the day-to-day life? Because actually these concepts rely on the day-to-day life. Now it's your turn. You guys just find out the examples that rely on the day-to-day life and comment me on the comment section. Okay, now we will going to start our next actually this is a problem section. Somebody asked me about finding the nth term. So today we are going to find these concepts. Like in these examples we have to find the missing terms. Now what are the missing terms? Let us discuss about the first example. Here in this first example we have given a, that is first term. A is given and the common difference is also given, and the value of n, that is a, is also given, and we have to find the nth term, that is an. Now how to find this term? Let us understand this by applying the formula. First of all, we have checked what is given. The given is a, which is equal to 7. A, the first term is given, and d, common difference, which is equal to 3. It is also given. D, which is equal to 3, is also given, and n, that is number of terms. N, that is the number of term is 8, and we have to find the an. What we have to find, that is we have to find the a8, that is the 8th term. We have to find the 8th term. Now how can we find this? An, which is equal to an, or we can say that this is the Tn, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is n over here? N is the number of terms that we want to find, which is equal to 8, and a which is equal to the first term, which is already given, that is 7, and d is the 3 over here. Now put the values and conclude the nth term, that is a8, that is 3, 8, which is equal to a is 7 plus n is 8 minus 1 into d. Now what is d over here? D is 3. Put d. Sorry, d is 3. So we have to put 3 over here. Okay. Now 7 plus 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. 7 into 3. Now 7 plus 7 into 3, which is equal to 21. 21 plus 7, which is equal to 28. Now you guys can understand that we can find any number of terms with the help of this formula, which is known as the nth term formula. Okay, here Tn, which is equal to 28. We can find the missing value. Missing value is 28. Okay, we have given a, d and n, and we have to find the nth value, which is 28. Okay guys, now by applying these formulas you can calculate any value from here. Okay, and the formula is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in the second example, let us see. A equals to, a is given, which is equal to minus 18. Okay, and the missing value is d, that the common difference is missing over here. We have to calculate the common difference, d, which is not known. Okay, and n, which is equal to 10. Okay, see, we have given the nth term, nth term, that is Tn, is already given, which is equal to 0. Okay, we have given Tn, and we also know the formula. We know Tn, which is equal to Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now fill the values that are given, that is Tn, which is equal to 0, equals to A is minus of 18 plus n. What is the n over here? N is 10. Put the value of n, that is 10 minus 1 into D. What is D? We have to find the D, so put D as it is. Okay. Now 0, which is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. 9 into D. Okay. Now see, here it is 0. So conclude the values. It is plus 18, and when it is shifted to the another side of equal to, it becomes positive, because the value which take to the another side of equal to becomes the sign becomes opposite. That is, plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become divide, and divide becomes multiplication. So that rule is applied over here. We have 9D equals to 18, because 18 comes over here and it becomes positive. Okay. Now 9D is equal to 18. Now see, this is 9D. 9D, that means 9 into D. Look over here. 9 into D becomes 9D. Okay. And here we have 9D, which means D is multiplied by the 9. So 9 is when shifted to the another side of equal to, it becomes divide. D equals to 18 divided by 9. Now D is equal to 2. Okay, the missing value is D, which is 2, and we have found it. Okay, you guys can comment me in the comment section if you have any kind of problem, or if you want me to solve any other problem. You can comment me in the comment section, and I will solve that problem in my next class. Okay guys, is it clear? Now the next example is, that is A is missing. In the first example, we have find the nth term. In the second example, we find the missing term, that is D. Now we have to find the missing term, that is A. Okay, the formula is same. Remember one thing, the formula will not change. Okay, the formula is same throughout the series. Now A, that is missing, we don't have A. Okay, D, which is equal to minus of 3. Okay, now N, which is equal to 18. Remember the sign, guys. If you don't put the sign, then the problem will not be solved. Okay, N is equal to 18, and AN, nth term, which is equal to minus 5, is already given. Now the formula is, as we know, Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, and the Tn is, we have given, which is equal to minus 5. Put over here, minus 5 equals to A. The value of A is missing. We don't have the value of A. So put as it is over here, plus N. What is N over here? N is 18. Put 18 minus 1 into D. What is D? D is minus 3. Okay guys, now it is minus 5 equals to A plus 18 minus 1, which is equal to the 17. 18 minus 1 equals to 17 into minus 3. Okay, minus 5 equals to A. Now plus minus, which is equal to minus. Okay, plus minus is minus. 17 into 3, 51. Okay, now we have to find the value of A. Put A over here, and the rest of the values take to the another side of equal to, that is minus 5. Here it is minus 51, and when it shifted to the left another side of equal to, it becomes positive, that is positive 51, which is equal to A. Okay. Now what is the value? Minus 5 plus 51. What it becomes? Minus plus minus. So it becomes 46. And it comes out to be positive value. Why? Because we have the bigger term 51 and the bigger term have the positive value. Okay guys, now we have find the missing value, that is A, which is equal to 46. Okay, I hope you guys will understand what I want to say. If you guys have any problem, I'm asking again, telling you again that you can add in the comment section and I will solve that problem. Okay guys, is it clear? Now come to the next example, which is we have to find over here, that is nth term. Okay, nth term, that is Tn. This is missing. We have to find this. A is already given. A equals to 3.5 and D, which is equal to 0, is also given, and N, which is equal to 105. And we have to find the nth value. And we know the formula to find the nth term, which is equal to Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Remember this formula guys, you can solve any kind of problem with the help of this formula. Okay. Now, we have to find T105. That is the 105th term, which is equal to A. A is 3.5 plus N, which is equal to 105. 105 minus 1 into D. D is equal to 0. Guys, see, T105. We have to find the T105. T105, which is equal to 3.5 into 104 into 0. Into 0. Now T105, which is equal to 3.5 plus something is multiplied by 0, which is already which is also 0. That is 0. So the value of T105 is equal to 3.5. Okay guys, is it clear? We have find the value of An over here. Now An is 3.5. Okay guys, listen, I have something to tell you. See, wait a minute, I'll just remove it, then I'll send it. Look, I have already discussed, I think A1, that is equal to A, that first term is equal to A, and second term A2, we can write it as A plus D. Okay, A plus D, that is the second term. If we want to find the third term, we can directly find it by using A plus 2D. Look, just one value lesser than the number of terms. Okay, that is A plus 2D. If we have to find the A 25th, then how could we find that? We can find it A plus 24D. Okay guys, remember this formula. With these formulas you can find any value. So in this class, that's it, that's all. We will discuss further things in the next class.